Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel One Two Step. Today in this video let's learn about how to record our call in WhatsApp. So let's get started. At first we need to know that we cannot record WhatsApp call from the app itself. So we need to install another app that is called App Call Recorder. Once you have installed this app, we need to allow all the notifications required and allow the accessibility required. And then we get this icon over here. So let's go for WhatsApp and call to someone we want to call and continue. So now once the person receives the call, the sound will be recorded. So this is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.